Good afternoon, friends. Now we have shortlisted two another stock, that is Polycab and Apollo hospitals. So friends, we will just see the chart of these and two stocks, and we will fix the trigger price, stop loss and the target for the same. Now friends, just going to the chart. I'm sharing the window right now. This is the one. First Apollo Hospital, then Polycab. These two stocks will be analyzed. Apollo Hospitals and Polycab. What we are visualizing in the case of Apollo Hospital? Just see, Shinkansen and Kinjin has crossed in case of Ichimoku indicator, whereas MACD has also given the positive crossover. That is, MACD has crossed the signal line from below to upward, and both the signal has been generated instantly at around 12:15 candle. And from here, if we look back 26 period to find out the highest price made by the stock in this duration, we will just see that today's close of today's trend confirmation candle, which has been identified at around 12:15, the close of this particular candle will be taken as trigger price. The concept for the trigger price determination has already been explained in details. So friends, this will be the trigger price. And what will be the stop loss? This should be the stop loss. Or even this. This should be the stop loss. And target. First target is very near, that is 5,118. That is meaningless. That can be considered also as a trigger price because it is very near to the trigger price. And the final target for this particular Apollo hospital is 5,224. Thereafter, you have to check the potentiality of the MACD, whether MACD is showing the strength or not, and as well as the Ichimoku indicator, whether the gapping between the Shinkansen and Kinjin is less or it has is or it has a wide gap. So friends, this is the stock which we have analyzed here for your reference, that is Apollo Hospital. Then we will move to the Polycab. See, the detailed analysis of the chart has been already been explained to you. You have to look all the factors considering the while considering any trade. See, position of Chicago span, position of Tinkerson and Kingun, the position of span A and span B. Though the green cloud formation is seen here, but span B is flat and span A is tilting towards upward, so there is a possibility of reaching this particular high made by the Apollo Hospital stocks today, that is 5,118.85. So these are the factors one should consider while considering a trade or while planning a trade. So now moving towards the Polycab. See, in case of Polycab, Tinkerson crossover is seen, and this crossover is above the cloud, and Tinkerson and Kindusen is tilting upward. So the bullishness is so the bullishness is potent enough to take the stock to the higher level. This is quite confirmed. Span A and span B is also moving upward. There is no gap between, right now the gap is very limited between Tinkerson and Kindusen. Chicago span position is almost clear. There is no obstacle here. So the target can be achieved, that is 5,405. This is the target, and for achieving this target it will take at least 2 or 3 days to meet the same, to achieve the same. So friends, the possibility of up move is quite good in this particular stock. So target is, what is the target? First target is 5,281. Second target is 5,406. MACD is showing the good strength. All the factors have been considered. Consider these factors in the 1 hour chart while taking the trade decision. So I'm just going to see the 1 hour chart. What is going on here? See, here the cloud breakout is seen, but the Tinkerson-Kindusen crossover is not there. And that too, when the crossover is within the cloud, in case of Tinkerson-Kindusen crossover within the cloud, what I have told you earlier, that at least Tinkerson should come out from the cloud. That is, it should cross the cloud top from below to upward, which is not the case here. So friends, in 1 hour chart, the trend seems to be moderate. The sentiment behind it, bullish sentiment, may be the moderate sentiment, and can reach the first target, that is 52,281, but thereafter it may slow down to the level of 5,370. So, friends, while taking the trading decision in case of Polycab, one should be cautious enough when the stock moves above the 5,281. May approach to 5,370 with some weakness. So, friends, be cautious enough in taking trade in the Polycab. So, friends, overall, we have analyzed the stock for your reference. Just analyze yourself in the points which we have just shared with you. So, friends, analyze the chart of 1 hour, considering all the points which we have shared, and accordingly take the trade decision. Target is specified, each has been specified on the basis of 15 minutes chart time frame. Target will be same because it is a weekly target, but there should be parity in the result. Result means the parity between the result means in 15 minute chart the result which is coming, that should be, when you compare the result of 15 minute chart with a 1 hour chart, there should be some means there should be no deviation. Means if the bullish sentiment is prevailing, then the result should be bullish sentiment. Conclusion should be bullish sentiment. There should not be any ambiguity behind it. So if there is any ambiguity, don't enter into the trade. So friends, I am just requesting you again to drop an email if you need some clarification, or in the comment section just drop the query so that we can clarify the same at the earliest. Secondly, I request you to share this video in your group so that number of people can be benefited. Our motto is to share the concept of trading among the retail investors, those who are using. This is the motto, friends. So I am just requesting you to share the video as well as subscribe our channel so that latest updates can be seen by yourself at the earliest. Thank you.